Hello everyone, welcome to my YouTube channel, and today we are going to talk about the one of the fastest growing YouTuber in the YouTube history, and it's none other than Jimmy Donaldson aka Mr. Beast, who is an American YouTuber, philanthropist and businessman. Here in this video I am going to share the thing that the Mr. Beast know and we are still unknown about it, and it's none other than the YouTube algorithm. Here in this video I am going to share how Mr. Beast is able to beat the YouTube algorithm, and I am going to give the tips and tricks to beat the YouTube algorithm. So let's begin it. Firstly, let's try to do overview of his channel. So here we go, and let's look his video. He have got in every single video he have got millions of views, right? You can see 3 months ago 57 million, 3 weeks ago 37 million, and look at these titles. It's so catchy and it's so interesting. Anything you can fit in the triangle I pay for. That's the what the man. Now let's look to his oldest video in the YouTube, and it's the 9 years ago, and it has got the views of 6.2 million views. It's really good. In every single video he has got a nice audience retention. So that's what the tips and tricks used by him to beat the algorithm. In every single video you can see that he has crossed millions of views, right? And you can look towards his other channels: Beast Philanthropist, Mr. Beast Gaming, Mr. Beast Shorts, Mr. Beast Reacts. In every his channel he has got millions of subscribers, and this face is made on the basis of my research and by hearing his interview. So let's move towards our video. So here I'm going to share the tips and tricks to beat the YouTube algorithm that Mr. Beast has used. And the tip number 1 is making viral content, and number 2 is focusing on CTR, click-through rate and audience retention, and number 3 you have to watch till end. Then I'm going to share it. So moving towards trick number 1 is making the viral content, and Mr. Beast is known as the viral making machine. So why is known as the viral making machine? So I'm going to share you the tips that can help you to make your content viral. So if your content are based on the following topics, such as money related, reaction based, and if it is challenges, and if it is prank or drama, and mostly collaboration with the big YouTubers. If you follow these 5 principles, then surely your video are going to be listed at the viral. I'm sure that. And I like to give one of his example. Look at this. And here he have collaborated with other YouTubers, and this content has really got more views. And because he has used these principles, that is the making viral content principle, so that he is able to get such a high view. Talking about money related, then if we are Mr. Beast viewers, then you can know that his contents are money related, so that help to make the audience catchy. So, and if we talk about the reaction based, then surely the Mr. Beast has a very good reaction in his video, and collaboration with big YouTubers. I've recently given. You can look this video. He have collaborated with the biggest YouTubers. And if we talk about challenges, then you can see a lots of challenges in his video, and he even give rewards to win the challenges. So it's his tips to beat the algorithm. So these are the tips to make the viral content, so that you will be able to beat the YouTube algorithm. And if you make your content viral, then it's sure and certain that YouTube will surely promote itself, your content. YouTube is going to promote your content. So what we have to do is focus on viral making content and follow all those principles I have said, and surely one of your video will be promoted as a viral content. So focus in this point. Now I want to share you the second tips and trick that the Mr. Beast has used to beat the YouTube algorithm, and the tips number 2 is you have to focus on click-through rate, CTR, and audience retention. Talking about CTR, click-through rate, you have to focus on 3T. That's trend, title, and thumbnail. So talking about trend, you have to clearly understand that your click rate depends upon the trend. It's what the trend is following right now. You have to make the video on such a topic. If you do so, then you have a high chance to be clicked on your video by the audience. So you have to focus on trend. What is in the trend, you have to make video as per the trend. And second one is the title. So you have to see what your title is. So it should be short, catchy and interesting. So talking about our Mr. Beast title, you can look in the screen, his title are, and you can see the titles. Anything you can fit in the circle, I will pay for. And if you try to look over the Mr. Beast title, we can see selling house for $1. Oh my gosh, look at his title and look at his views. In 3 months he have got 49 million views, right? And let's look and the title, anything you can fit in the circle, I'll pay for. Oh my gosh, look what a catchy title he has. He has a lot of suspense in that title. So it has been 1 year and he had got 117 million views. And I put 100 million orbits in my friend's backyard. Oh my gosh. Anything you can fit in the triangle, I will pay for. And it's just 2 weeks and he have got 37 million views. So you have to focus on your title. And this has been recently dropped out. So let's look at this title. Make this short win $300,000, and it has been posted to 1 week ago and got the views of 32 million. Oh my gosh. So look at his trick, how he's focusing on his title so that he gets millions of views. And talking about our third things, it's the thumbnail. So look at his thumbnail, it's so catchy, it's so simple, catchy. It's not so much polished, so you have to focus on the thumbnail that makes the audience to click on your video. So focus on the thumbnail, make it simple, catchy and understandable. So you have to focus on this thing. And nextly, to beat the YouTube algorithm, you have to focus on audience retention. And what do you mean by audience retention? It's simply the art of suspense. If your content has suspense, then it's sure that the viewers is going to last long time in your video. So I'm going to say you how to last long in your video. So first and easy thing is you have to make a intro hook. You have to give some suspense. You have to say what is going to happen at the last, so that viewers is going to watch till the end. So like Mr. Beast says that, you can see in the Mr. Beast video, you can see there is an intro hook. He used to say that if the person who is going to win this game, he is going to give an island, or he used to say, or he is going to say $100,000, he is going to reward. And you can even say, he used to say, I will give $100,000 who will win this competition. Last man to take hand gains $100,000. So it's the intro hook that the Mr. Beast used in his video. So give a proper intro hook that suits your video so that the audience will be retained in your video. So number 2 is hold the audience. So main factor is here, how to hold the audience. And to hold the audience, you should focus that your content should have suspense. Your content should be entertaining, it should not be boring. And if your video is entertaining, then it's sure and certain that the audience who has clicked your video, they are going to watch till the end. And you have to focus on another thing, that if your previous video was not good, then make sure that this audience is not going to click your video next time. So make sure your last video is good so that they will be attracted to your next video. And if you focus on these things, then surely the audience will hold. And you have to make entertaining and suspense video and give a look at the intro so that the audience will last long. And also you have to make a long video about 10 to 15 minutes like Mr. Beast. No matter what happens, if 15-second clips takes 1 hour, then you should give the time of 1 hour. But you have to understand that your audience should watch it and love it. So focus on your each and every clip and make the video catchy for the audience so that they will last long for it. And you should know something, that YouTube also wants your video to be clicked and watch it for a long time. So make your videos such attractive that the audience will click there and watch it for a long time, so that YouTube is going to promote your video. So you have to focus on these things. And if your thumbnail is catchy and audience has clicked, but if you cannot hold the audience, then YouTube is not going to promote your video, because your audience retention rate is low, and click only by having high click-through rate you cannot promote your video. So you have to also focus on audience retention. So you have to focus on those things to beat the YouTube algorithm. And the last tip that the Mr. Beast used to beat the YouTube algorithm is reinvesting the money. Yes, every money he gains from his video is he reinvest and again utilize in making his content that can be best for his audience. So he reinvest and reinvest and reinvest the money that he gains from the video, and so that he could make a better video to entertain the audience. So that's the key factor that the Mr. Beast has grown rapidly. If you try to look at Mr. Beast, then you can know that he didn't have a good gadget at the beginning, and if you talk that you don't have good gadget, then it's the excuses for you. Know that is you are trying to make an excuses. So what's the gadget, no matter what's the gadget you have, you can, if you have a good content, then surely it will pay off. So make a good content and focus on how to make your thumbnail and title attractive and hold the audience. Surely your video will be promoted fastly, and focus on the viral making principles so that your channel will grow faster. If you focus on the content and focus on all these principles of the Mr. Beast, so you will surely be success. Look towards the Mr. Beast, then he have given a lot of dedication for making his videos. So make sure you give a dedication towards your content and surely you will get success in it. So these are all the principles used by the Mr. Beast to beat the YouTube algorithm. So you can use it, analyze it, and what are the things that are required for you to improve so that your content is going to be promoted. So focus on these tips and grow your channel. So thank you for watching this video, and if you haven't subscribed my channel, and subscribe it, and if you haven't checked the Mr. Beast channel, then you can go and check his channel so that you can get some hints to promote your channel and grow in a small duration of time. So thank you for watching this video, and see you soon in my next video, and keep in touch.